Hello everyone, this is a brief tutorial on how to use our course page for English 101C. So here we are on the Ohlone website. If we go over here and click on Online Services, you'll see Canvas right there. When we click on Canvas, we're going to log in. You're going to use your username and password, the same username and password that you use to log into WebAdvisor when you're scheduling for classes or logging in to check on your school email. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Okay, and once you log into your Canvas page, you're going to see your dashboard, and all your recent courses will show up here. I've got quite a few here. So I'm going to scroll us down until we find our section. Here it is. And once you click on the tile for the course that you're taking, you're going to see that course page. And this is what our course page looks like. So right here on the home page, this is where you can find all the different sections. Each section is called a module. So here's a module called Welcome to English 101C, Section 5. I've got a welcome announcement here, which describes a little bit about the course, and this video will be posted here as well. Back to the home page here. We've got helpful and interesting links. When you click on this, you're going to see links to the Purdue OWL, which is a great resource for MLA formatting. They also have grammar and punctuation tips as well. Here's a link to a short video that describes ethos, pathos, and logos, something we'll be covering in class this week. You'll also see a few other links to various materials that we may use throughout the course. Right over here under the Zoom tutorials, you're going to see information about Zoom, which is a tool we're going to be using for the virtual office hour. So pretty much every week I'm going to miss a couple of weeks mid-semester here, but almost every week we'll have a office hour where you can use Zoom to join the office hour, and that way we can talk in real time. Of course, you can always email me if you have questions as well. Below this section here, we've got the weekly modules. We have a total of 6 weeks in our summer semester here, and so you'll see one module for each semester. With each module, you will see an overview that's going to tell you what we're doing that week. All the reading assignments and videos, the links are going to be right there. Any videos that we might be watching, some might be links, some might be embedded like this one. And then there'll also be a list of the assignments that are due. You can see week 1, we've got a quiz, we have a discussion post, and we have a timed essay. Now, most assignments are going to be due on Thursdays, except for the discussion assignments. Your initial post for the discussion assignments will be due on Wednesdays, and then your reply post, where you're replying to another student's discussion post, that'll be due on Thursday there. So I'll go ahead and scroll us back up, and I'm going to click on the home page again to get back out to all those modules. And so after reviewing the overview section for the week's assignments, then the assignments themselves are here. The weeks where I will be hosting a Zoom office hour, that'll be listed here. And there's a unique link to each week's office hour. So you'll just click on that link to access the office hour. And that essentially concludes the basics of what you'll need to know here. If you have any further questions, feel free to email me, or you can check in during that week 1 office hour. I believe this one's going to be hosted, where are we? Yeah, June 20th, the 18th, and so that is 2018 rather. And so that's going to be Wednesday of our first week there. And that'll be from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. All right, so this concludes our brief tutorial on how to log into Canvas and how to navigate the course page. I look forward to working with you all this semester. Have a great day.